Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech and this is a speed test between Asus Zenfone 5Z and the Oppo F7. Now these are the specifications of both phones. Asus 5Z sports a Snapdragon 845 processor with a Reno 630 GPU, while the Oppo F7 sports a MediaTek Helio P60 processor with Mali G72 MP3 GPU. Now these are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Purely based on benchmark scores and raw performance, Asus 5Z is definitely better. So let's see how it actually performs. Now for the speed test, I'll open the first two applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone is faster and exactly how fast it is. By the way, both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, both phones are updated to the latest version of operating system, and even all the applications have been updated to the latest version. Now let's see how fast Asus 5Z will be. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both phones, but for most of the applications, Asus 5Z was faster, at least by a few milliseconds. So in the speed test, Asus 5Z is the winner. Now for the memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. Now Asus should perform better because it has 6GB of RAM, but let's see how it turns out. In the memory management round, Asus 5Z was able to keep more apps in memory, and even in terms of responsiveness, it was faster. Now for the final speed test, I'll open the last 4 games on both phones at the same time, and you can see which phone opens them faster. Now while opening games, Asus 5Z was noticeably faster. So guys, overall, out of these two phones, Asus 5Z is the winner in terms of performance and memory management. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test and memory management test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy any of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and I'll try to make it as soon as possible. I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech signing off. Have a nice day.